Are you one of those women that suffer from dry, puffy, damaged hair? Or maybe you are a blonde and you get your hair bleached all the time and it just is in like that straw-like state? Well, if you're one of those people, then I've got a great solution that just came out. This is a new innovation and it just launched this week, and you're not going to believe what it will do for your hair. That product is called ColorWow's Dreaming. What it is, it's not like a regular mask. It is a resurfacing treatment. And this is what it looks like. It has a light, pleasant fragrance. You can see it. But the texture of it is very, very smooth. It's not like thick like a paste, but real smooth, like in between like a gel, like the Money Mask was more like a real jelly consistency. This is somewhere in between. But what it's designed to do is basically repair your hair.
Here is the problem. And again, we're a problem solution company. And this was our owner's problem.
Yeah.
And there's a lot of women out there with this same problem. Puffiness, those little broken hairs that you just can't seem to get smooth and laid down. Frizz, cotton candy texture. They're all impossible to keep smooth, especially if it's humid out. We realized we had to address both the interior of the hair, which is called the cortex, and the exterior, or the surface of the hair, which is called the cuticle, to solve all these problems. The cortex is responsible for the strength and the elasticity of the hair, and we used ingredients such as squalane, panthenol, which is provitamin B5. We use rice bran oil, hydrolyzed quinoa protein. All of these things do three things: moisturize, hydrate, and repair the interior of the hair. And that internal structure is very important. We actually ran clinicals with an outside laboratory, and they found out that just one usage of Dreaming increased the elasticity of the hair by 28%. Now, that doesn't sound like a big number, but that is a major improvement. And just think, using it time after time, how you could basically get new hair. Plus, it delivered 83% less breakage. Breakage is that loss in strength in your hair. So we're actually increasing the strength of your hair by 83%, again, in just one usage. The surface of your hair is called the cuticle, all right? Cuticle is responsible for the appearance of your hair, the smoothness of your hair, the alignment of each fiber with the ones around it. So unlike other masks, Dreaming makes a major impact on the hair surface to seal it. Now, you heard this word before, to resurface it, and to polish that outer cuticle by filling in all those micro cracks, the gaps, all those imperfections that are on the surface of the hair, by creating a sheer veneer or a sheer matrix on the surface of the hair. This was accomplished through our proprietary pseudo-cuticle complex. I call it our PC complex, pseudo-cuticle complex, which serves several critical functions in our product, Dreaming. It adds mass to the hair, which is really important, especially that's what Gail wanted. I want more weight. I want to feel that my hair falls and has that perfect weight to it. So each strand is improved by its fiber alignment, its manageability, while also creating smooth, glossy finish that allows your hairs to kind of swing in unison. So when you move your head, when the wind blows through it, the hairs don't just go flying out. They actually will stay together like a beaded curtain and swing in any direction that you move your head. This product actually locks in the essential moisture in your hair, but also locks out the humidity.
Listen up, this is huge.
Independent testing that we did on the outside for 8 hours at 86 degrees Fahrenheit, pretty hot temperature, and 70% humidity. It showed that this pseudo cuticle complex that we have, it's a proprietary to us, repelled 3.4 times more humidity than untreated hair. So
Right.
imagine combining that with Dream Coat.
Mhm.
Unbelievable. We did a self-assessment test where women in the salon, actually witnessed by a stylist in this independent testing lab, applied dreaming and blow dry their own hair. We didn't have a stylist blow dry their hair. And 30 women responded to a questionnaire. 100% of the women said their hair looked smoother. 100% said their hair was more manageable. 93% said their hair looked healthier. 90% their hair was shinier. 90%, and this is an important one, their styling was easier afterwards. And 87% said they had less frizz.
The weight, I think that's what I noticed the most in my mom's hair, and what gives it that reborn quality to it is that, you know, you can have a moisturizing mask or a dream coat or a glossy, whatever it is, and it will look smoother or shiny. But the difference in this that nothing else has is that it fills in those holes, the porousness, which I think a lot of people that have that frizzier texture or the color treated hair, they have these holes in the hair, and that this fills it in. It gives your strand like new life.
Dreaming is silicone-free. It has color washout protection. It also has heat protection. It actually heals temporarily the split ends. It'll last through at least 2, maybe even up to 3 shampoos, that effect.
Money Mask and the Money Mist and those things, were designed to actually hydrate the hair, replenish the hair. So even if you have fine, thin hair, this is not designed to weigh your hair down, but it's designed to fill in those little potholes and give the hair some bulk. And it almost is like, you know, if you've seen a road being resurfaced, you know, you got all these potholes, and then after they get done putting that black tarmac on the hair on the road, it's smooth as silk. Well, that's what it's doing to your hair with ColorWow's Dreaming. It's actually resurfacing, putting that smooth, silky, shiny result. So if you struggle getting glass hair, even if you've used ColorWow's Dream Coat, you know, Dream Coat can only do so much for dry, damaged hair. When you use this in conjunction with Dream Coat, you're going to start with that resurfaced hair, and then when you use the Dream Coat, you're going to get that really, really glassy, humidity-proof hair that stays that way for 3 to 4 washes. And this will do it on its own. So you don't even have to use Dream Coat to get the results from this. You can use this on its own, and it works in as fast as 2 to 3 minutes. So it doesn't take a long 30-minute treatment under a dryer or anything. So you can do this at home, you can do it in the salon. And stylists, this is your key to getting that perfect dreamlike hair out the door every time. So you want to use this, you know, once or twice a week, you know, every 2 to 3 washes, depending on how often you wash. But you just apply it to the hair. So basically what you want to do first is you want to shampoo the hair with ColorWow Color Security shampoo, you know, rinse that out, and then squeeze out the excess moisture in your hair, and then apply this a generous amount. You want to put it in the palm of your hands and just basically just working it through the hair, just kind of work it in. And it's going to basically seal that down, and leave it in 2 to 3 minutes, and then you rinse. And then you can blow dry with just that, or you can, you know, add Dream Coat or anything else afterwards. But you're going to notice how your hair, you know, if it used to be real puffy feeling, it will actually give it that nice, slick hair that actually holds itself together. You know, some products, you know, it'll just weigh your hair down, and then you know, it doesn't move right. It doesn't have that free flowing effect. This one will actually give you that nice free flow, silky, shiny, blocks out humidity. So it's keeping the existing moisture in your hair and blocking out the external humidity, so your hair won't frizz up. So it's anti-frizz, gives hair lots of shine, and then especially when you do this after a color service, it's locking in that color. When you look at the ingredients, you got to remember, just because other products have similar ingredients doesn't mean it's formulated to work the same way. This is proprietary technology that they spent you know, about 10 years to develop. So they've did trial and error, many different formulations, until they came up with the ideal final end result. when you look at some ingredients with other brands, they don't always do the same thing. It's no different than when you get a recipe, or say you're going to make a cake and it has all the same ingredients. Well, this other recipe maybe is a secret recipe, and they do things a little differently. Maybe they mix it differently in different combinations, or they bake it a certain way or in a certain oven, or maybe even use certain quality ingredients. So this is all proprietary with ColorWow's Dreaming, in that the way they make it, nobody else can copy it. It is a unique, different formula. And once you try it, which you got to try it to believe it.
How has it changed it for you? Like the last thing, because you just went to a concert, etc.
Yeah. Well, I think similar to what everyone was saying is like I really noticed the weight. So like I use Dreamcoat. I love Dreamcoat. I've loved it for years, since before I even started working here. But I feel like when you add dreaming to it, it just takes it to a whole nother level. So I have that extra weight, so my hair just feels better. It feels like almost thicker. Like it is a little bit of density to it.
Yeah.
And then it just lasts so much longer. So I'm someone who, my hair is naturally curly. When I go to bed at night, if it's like a little too humid or anything, I'll get like those kinks and those little bumps. And with Dreamcoat, it still lasts, but I will get a little bit more of that like texture, especially at the ends where it's, you know, a little bit lighter. But with Dreaming, with that extra density and hold, I don't really get that so much. It lasts longer, it stays straight. And then even, you know, when I came today and we washed it, I feel like even when I wash it and let it air dry curly, like there's still that control to it. There's still that like nice shape. It's not as frizzy. It's not as like messy or like textured.
Right.
Yeah, it's great. And look, guys, let's just show you one more time, because I'm like obsessed with it. It's crazy because it's lightweight. Like it's so lightweight. Like there's nothing to it. It doesn't feel like there's anything on the hair whatsoever. Let's just show the before for everybody.
The reaction to this product has been unreal. Like really, really. We have one video.
Can we show one of the videos now?
Yeah, let's show. Daniela, she is a hairstylist. Loves ColorWow organically. We sent her this to try, and she made this video, and it really sums it up in a nice way.
Her hair has been through it lately. I'm talking coloring, heat, postpartum, stress, life, and it feels like dry, puffy cotton candy. Girl, sit down. We need to chat. This is Dreaming from ColorWow, an advanced repair and resurfacing treatment. And if you know anything about ColorWow, is that they nail it every single time. Dreaming is their newest product in the ColorWow arsenal, and the mask that your hair has been begging for. This is like the ultimate reset button for overprocessed hair. I'm talking damage, breakage, dull ends, frizz, you name it. One treatment and it's like your strands are reborn. This part is heat activated, so while you're styling, it's sealing, it's smoothing, it's protecting, it's filling in all those cracks in your hair. Cuticle, reversing signs of heat styling, coloring, dryness, and breakage. Literally cuts humidity-induced frizz by over 240% so that your hair doesn't puff up the second you go outside. Visible results after just one use. Like this isn't one of those things like keep using this for 6 weeks and maybe you'll see a difference. You're gonna know immediately. The thing, this just launched. This is brand new. And if you know ColorWow, their drops sell out like that. So if you want first dibs on Dream hair, grab it now before it's gone.
You got to try it on your own hair. You got to see it and feel it for yourself. This retails for $45. It's available in our warehouse now. We actually, you know, funny thing is, normally when ColorWow launches a product, we don't even know what it is until they actually announce the launch, and then it could take weeks for us to get it in our warehouse. Well, this time was totally different. This time, you know, I guess because we were complaining about it, they decided to, the day they launched it, they let our people know ahead of time so they can order it, and it was in our warehouse actually the day it launched, which was just the other day. So unfortunately, I haven't even had a chance to use it on my own hair, which I'm not even probably the ideal client. I will try it just so I can see it and feel it myself. Also, you know, my wife has short, fine, thin hair, and I want to get her feedback. You know, I want to know what she says about whether it's too heavy or not. But they claim that it's, you know, from other people that have been using this, it's not too heavy, even on fine hair clients. If you want to see more, be sure to watch this video coming up, the actual launch that was meant for us only. This wasn't meant to be public. It will give you really good insights. You'll hear from their chief chemist, Dr. Joe Sincata, Gail Federici's daughter. And then you'll also see my friend Giles Robinson. He's the global education director for ColorWow, and we've known each other ever since we've gotten ColorWow. way back in the day before all of this really blew up. So we've spent a lot of time in the field doing videos. Share this to anybody that you think might see value in this. Share it with your customers. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit subscribe and click the bell to make sure you get notified of my next video. Thanks for watching. Take care.